talking to you from the Venezuelan Embassy in Washington, D.C. And just wanted to give you an update. Last night, our electricity was cut off illegally by the Pepco, the power company, even though our electrical bill is paid and up to date. We have confirmation of that from our landlord, the elected government of Venezuela. This is an attempt to try to force us out of the embassy, but many of us have been in Caracas when the United States attacked the electrical grid down there, and we made it through that, and we are resolved to make it through this. This deepens our resolve and our solidarity with the people of Venezuela who have been experiencing the same things from the United States that we're experiencing: attacks on electricity, economic measures that make it difficult to get food. So we all feel very committed and deeply resolved and united in resisting what's happening to us right now here at the embassy in Georgetown. But what this means is that we won't be able to give updates to you as frequently because we're trying to preserve our telephone power so we can communicate when it's absolutely necessary. And that means that we're really relying on you now. We need you to spread the word. We need you to let people know what U.S. government is doing in order to try to take this coup that failed in Venezuela and succeed here in the United States. They don't have the base of support in Venezuela, and so they're trying to force us out of here, allow Guaido's people to come in here, and as we've talked about before, that will trigger a chain of events that will be very dangerous, not just for Venezuelans and potential escalation of conflict between the U.S. and Venezuela, but global conflict as well as really defying the Vienna Convention and making all embassies unsafe going forward. So we are asking you to please mobilize people. We really need people to be coming down here. We're a little baffled about why people were so quick to mobilize when a few fascists showed up in Boston or Charlottesville, and here we are surrounded by these violent pro-coup, pro-U.S. intervention people, and are being targeted by the security state with these lack of access to food and electricity, why people aren't showing up for that. But if you can't be here, we understand that, and we're asking you to make phone calls. And you can call the State Department. That phone number is 202-406. I'm sorry, that's the Secret Service. Call the Secret Service. 202-406-8800. That's 202-406-8800. Complain to them. They are the ones that turned off the power last night. You can also contact Pepco, the power company here in Washington, D.C. I don't have that phone number, but I hope somebody will post that in the comments. Pepco is the power company. Our landlords, the Venezuelan government, talked to them earlier this week when we first heard that the power might be turned off, and our landlord confirmed with them that the bill was paid, that the only body that has the authority to turn off that power is the Venezuelan government. So we're disappointed that Pepco caved into pressure and turned off the power last night. So please call the security. Thank you, Patricia. The Secret Service, 202-406-8800. They are not guaranteeing public safety when they cut our power off, and they don't have the right to do that. And call Pepco, please, and tell them as well. And please spread the word because, like I said, we won't be able to give you updates as frequently as we can, but please know that we are fine, that we are calm, just as our people in Venezuela were fine and calm when the U.S. attacked the electrical grid down there, that our resolve is deepened, and that we are going to continue this struggle because we understand how deeply important it is. And we appreciate all of you out there, all of our outside embassy protectors, everything that you're doing from where you are to support us. It just means so much to us, and we'll try to check in when we can. So thank you, everyone. Solidarity, venceremos. We will succeed. We can do this. We just got to hold this space until the Venezuelan government finds a protecting power and there can be a peaceful transition, and we are determined to do that. Thank you.